Hello, you're inside my car, and today I'm going to unbox a package that just arrived today and discover what's inside this box. I'll give you a clue. It's a toy, and of course it's related to cars. So come on, join me. Let's open this box and see what's inside of this box. It's been a while that I received a package, and been a while that I've been buying toys. So fortunately I was able to get this item, and I'm very excited to open this one. So come on, join me. So this is the package, courtesy of my friend from Diecast Collectors Group, Philippines. So the package is full of course, plastic covers. So it's really hard to open it. Yeah, full of plasters. And of course, courtesy of the courier, JRS. Yeah. So please bear with me in opening this one, because it's really full of plasters. Yeah, so you go at the back. So this is the package. I will try to open this as clean, as neat as possible, so that it will not leave a mess, and it will, of course, will not destroy the items inside. So please bear with me. It may take a while, but please bear with me. It's really hard opening this one.
I'm also very careful because I'm handling a very sharp tools. I hope I won't be hurting myself. Alright, so I have the box now open, and let's see what's inside the box. Alright.
Let me begin with a very modest model. So of course this is a toy. This is a die-cast. Let me begin with the very modest model. This one. This is a 1990 Honda Civic EF. So here's the item. Very nice casting, very clean. This is a super treasure hunt in the year, if I'm not mistaken, 2019. So this is a very hot model actually, and people are getting crazy getting the super treasure hunt of this model, meaning the sought after model. All right, and for the second item, I'll leave the best for last, of course. It's from a series, from Team Transport series, and I've got two transport series. I've got, the first one is the Ford GT Race and the Ford C Cargo or Hauler in Castrol livery. Very nice. It's a 2016 Ford GT Race, and carrying the Hauler is a Ford C800 carrying a 2016 Ford GT Race. And for the second item, or the second model, is the 2021 Toyota GR Supra with the Aerolift as the courier or as the trailer. So that's the item for the first and second item. And for the finale, or the main item of this, I'm very happy and very excited to share with you what's inside, or the main star of this unboxing. Let me just arrange to you. It's a set, by the way, and the first one on the set is It's a Toyota Supra. The Mark, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Mark 4 Toyota Supra. Very famous for its role in the Fast and Furious. Yeah, I know a lot of you can recognize the Toyota Supra, white Toyota Supra. Anyway, to give you a little background, the license of Mattel, which is the maker of Hot Wheels and Matchbox, the license of Mattel in making Toyota was expired, I think 2015. So from 2016 up to 2022 or 2020, Hot Wheels or Mattel or Matchbox do not make Toyota license die-cast. So I believe that the license came back last year, 2021, if I'm not mistaken, or so for the year of 2021, for the models for 2021 and 2022, Toyota has been dominant. It means they made a lot of licensed Toyota vehicles, and for this year, I think this is 2021 series, they made a series for Toyota for what we call Hot Wheels Car Culture. So they made a series especially for Toyota, and this is what we are looking right now. The Toyota series, it's a Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Toyota series. So this is the first model, it's a Toyota Supra. And for the second model, the 1987 Toyota pickup, being famous for its role in the what you call this, Back to the Future. In America, when the pickup was first launched, it was not called Hilux, it was called Toyota pickup. Very generic, isn't it? So this is basically the Toyota Hilux in America. So this is the second model, it's a Toyota pickup truck. The third model is it's one of my favorite. It's the Toyota 2000 GT. There you go. Very famous for its Le Mans role. It's being competed in the Le Mans 24 hours endurance race in France, and also being famous for being one of James Bond's car. But James Bond car is or was a top down, meaning it has no roof. They need to take off the roof because the James Bond that time is very tall, so he cannot be fitted in a hard top. So they made it a soft top, meaning top down, and there's no roof on it. So this is the third model. It's a Toyota 2000 GT. And the fourth model is very famous in the 1980s, the 1981 Toyota Starlet. This is a very new casting in the Mattel Hot Wheels Matchbox brand. This is a very new casting. It means this is the first time that this model was created. This model was created for this series, the Toyota series, Car Culture Toyota series. Very nice, very clean, very small, very nimble Toyota Starlet. And the last model, which is a new casting as well, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60. This is very new with this casting. Wow, Land Cruiser Series 60. This is for my unboxing for today. I'm very happy I have this series in my possession. Thank you for our friends from the DCPH for giving me the opportunity to have this model. Till next time,